Summer is here, and if you're still struggling to lose those last few pounds, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share the most effective, science-backed tips to help you lose weight fast and keep it off without starving or crazy workouts. Myth busting. What doesn't work? Crash diets, detox teas, and extreme cardio won't get you lasting results. Why eat less, move more is oversimplified and often misleading the importance of metabolism, hormones, and mindset. Nutrition hacks for summer fat loss. How to create a sustainable calorie deficit without feeling deprived. Best summer foods for fat loss. Importance of hydration and timing meals around activity. Effective workouts for fat loss. Why short, high-intensity interval training beats long cardio sessions incorporating NEAT walking, standing, fidgeting, how to build muscle to boost metabolism, lifestyle and mindset tips, sleep's role in fat loss and how to improve it, managing stress and cortisol to prevent fat storage, the power of consistency, and tracking progress without obsession. Bonus, summer-specific tips, how to enjoy summer social events without sabotaging your progress. Best summer drinks and snacks that support fat loss. Quick morning routines to kickstart metabolism. If you're ready to take control of your summer body, start implementing these tips today. Subscribe Thrive Theory for weekly science-backed fat loss advice and motivation. Drop your biggest summer weight loss challenge in the comments. I'll reply with personalized tips.